Language Lab provides various tools to enhance the learning, reading and speaking of English. Here at GD Goenka Public Schools, our students are learning new words, their pronunciation and its application. English is the international language of communication and we make it more easier and impactful for our students to learn. And like the saying goes, practice makes perfect.
English Language Lab is designed to provide the learner with a strong platform for the practical training in the language. Proud to be a Goenkan.